Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this newscast with a developing story. A fire is now raging at the Riverton City Disposal site in St. Andrew. There is now a thick cloud of smoke coming from the site, which stretches along Spanish Town Road and onto a section of the Mandela Highway in St. Catherine. The smoke and the fire are visible from all the way in the hills of Plantation Heights. Now, earlier this evening, callers to our newsroom also reported extremely poor visibility on the Mandela Highway due to the thickness of the smoke. Kingston and St. Andrew Divisional Head of the Jamaica Fire Brigade, Andrew Russell, spoke with our news center.
Well, I can confirm that there's a fire now raging at the Riverton City landfill. Presently, we have 3 fire units on location combating the blaze. It is covering a wide area based on the report that we have received.
He also explained what the brigade is now doing to deal with the blaze.
Yes, we are pulling all the resources that are available to us now to have them sent to Riverton. As a matter of fact, we have just instructed Halfway Tree to respond to Riverton as well, because we are trying to contain the fire within the shortest possible time, so as to mitigate again the impact that it will have on the environment.